Hey guys, thanks for joining me again today. Today's workout routine is going to be an upper body workout. We're really going to be focusing on these arms and upper bodies. We will be using our core as well, so make sure we engage that core throughout the whole routine.
When I get messed up at the party, I make a scene and get upset. But when I wake up in the morning, you bring me breakfast in bed and act like there's nothing to forget. Maybe I should count my blessings that you're just that type. So call me masochistic, but sometimes I want to fight. Every time I leave, you pull me closer. I hang up the phone, you call me back. Why don't you mess me around like you're supposed to? You're turning me cold cause I'm just wanting you to react. You're turning me cold cause I'm just wanting you to react. If I say jump, you just say how high. I think you might love me to death. The way you do me, boy, you're too nice. You get me up when I wanna be losing my breath. Maybe I should count my blessings that you're just that type. So call me masochistic, but sometimes I want to fight. Every time I leave, you pull me closer. I hang up the phone, you call me back. Why don't you mess me around like you're supposed to? You're telling me cool cause I'm just wanting you to react. Looking for a little confrontation. Now I know the nice guys turn me back. The less you do, the more it makes me crazy. You're telling me cool cause I'm just wanting you to react. Every time I leave, you pull me closer. I hang up the phone, you call me back. Why don't you mess me around like you're supposed to? You're turning me cold cause I'm just wanting you to react. Looking for a little confrontation. Now I know the nice guys turn me back. The less you do, the more it makes me crazy. You're telling me cool cause I'm just wanting you to react. You're telling me cool cause I'm just wanting you to react.
Thanks for working out with me today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, I hope you still worked hard and pushed through and had a good workout. Try some of my other workouts. Hope you enjoy them. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop me a comment. See you next time.